Welcome, my dear friends and my dear students. Let's start the introductory chapter to computer networks. This is a joint session by Sunil Narula and Dr. Somnath Sinha. We welcome you to this introductory session of computer networks. All of us are using computer networks today. So, you are very much aware of the importance of computer networks. Agenda for the day is what a computer networking is. Have you ever thought about this? What a computer networking is? Why we need computer networking? What is the terminology being used in computer networking? What are the various components that constitute a computer network? Okay. Also, what are the networking devices? And the last topic is perspectives for network classifications. Okay, what do you mean by perspectives for network classifications? That means you can divide the network, you can classify the network based on various factors like physical media, software, size of network, and so many other factors. We'll come to that, but in the last. Now, what is computer networking? All of us are aware of computers. Everyone is using them. Now, what is networking? Anyone can answer. What is networking? Yes, you are right. A network consists of two or more computers connected together, maybe directly or through some other device, some networking device. But let's see the definition. A network consists of two or more computers connected together and they can communicate and share resources. Good. They can communicate. How do they communicate? Yes, there are some standards, some standard protocols, standard formats defined for communication. We will come to that. And they share resources. What kind of resources they share? It may be hardware, it may be software. It may be any of the two, it may be a combination of the two. So let's move. I hope you are clear what a network is. Picture shows many devices connected on a single bus. Bus is the medium on which these devices are connected. Okay. Yeah. Now there are two things. Two kind of diagrams you are seeing. One is P2P network and other is server based. P2P means one system is connected to the other directly, and in server based, one is the master, everyone communicates to that and that server take care of. We'll come to the details of that, but these are the most common forms of network. Why we should network? For resource sharing. Yes, for resource sharing. Resource can be hardware, can be software. Very common example of hardware resource sharing is printers. There is only one network for 8 to 10 computers or single floor. There is only one network connected through LAN. We'll come to LAN, what a LAN is. Information sharing. You can access, if allowed, if permitted, any file, any database from another computer You need not keep all this information on your hard disk. Communication. You can communicate through broadcasting or one-to-one communication through mail. Even you can control the remote computer through remote computing. Now, what is networking terminology? We are just going a little fast so that we should cover the terminology at least. What is networking terminology? Node or host refers to any device on the network. Then other term is data transfer rate. It signifies the speed at which data is moved from one place on a network to another place. And this is a major bottleneck or major issue. Every day you need more and more fast computing, more and more data transfer. This is the key issue. Now there are three categories of network components. These are devices, media and services. As from the figure you can see. What are the devices? Switches, hubs, routers, media, cable, physical interconnection between the two devices, and services, processes or backup services kind of things, communication services. Good. Let's move to the other term. What are the networking devices? Hub, switch, router, modems. These are your networking devices. Their purpose is to connect different computer systems, different systems on different working layers. That's all for the first chapter. Thank you.